All right, guys, so this is exactly what we need to do every day when we're coming into Canvas. So I would start by reading the announcement before you do anything else. Start there, figure out what's going on today and what you need to do. So this gives you pretty good step-by-step instructions of exactly what I'm expecting you to do and how to find things, all of that. So at the top of the page, I usually have like some instructions that might be a little different or things I need you to pay attention to. And then I have it broken down by A-Day students, B-Day students, and fully remote students. So the instructions will kind of change just depending on if you're at home or if you're in the classroom. So if you're at home, your instructions will look a lot like our A-Day instructions today. So every day when you start, I need you to fill out the attendance form, and I'll show you how to get to that in a second. And then you can click on modules on the left side of your screen and go to the Unit 4 module, or you can click on the Unit 4 button that's under the attendance form, and I'll show you that again. And then I'll tell you which page we're working on. So we're doing 10.1, which is today's date, and then 4-1, graphing linear inequalities. So you can right-click from here, open that in a new tab, and you've got it, and you don't even have to worry about any of this navigational stuff before. So that's going to take you to your notes page. And as I mentioned in today's announcement, you have to do the notes before you can access the homework. So make sure that we're clicking on that page. You've got to watch the video, fill out the notes page, and then it'll let you go on to the homework. And if you click next at the bottom of your page, it'll take you to that. So I'll show you that when we get there. So I'm going to go back to the home page because that's kind of all that's on here. And from the home page, I'm going to show you how to fill out the attendance form. So I'm scrolling down on the home page, and there is a button that says first block attendance and fourth block attendance. So you'll just click the button for your class. So if you're in my first block math one, you'll click that button. And you have to fill out this attendance form every single day so that I know who's here and who's working. So you'll fill these things out, answer the questions, hit submit at the end. And then you can close out of that and we'll be back at our home page. So as I mentioned before, you can click on the Unit 4 button from here or whatever unit that we're in. Or we already opened it in another tab. So our stuff for today is already open. I'm going to go through the Unit 4 button, the tab or the module. And when it loads, we have to do all these things. So this first page right here is what I already have open. So I'm just going to toggle over. So like I said, these are your notes. So we need to get those notes and then we need to watch the video of the lesson. When you're done, we'll click next at the bottom. And this is going to take us to our homework assignment. So we can print this or whatever you need to do. You can write on notebook paper. If you're getting printed packets at school, you should already have it. So get whatever you need from this and work on completing the assignment. When you're done and ready to turn it in, we'll click next at the bottom of the page. And then this is where it's a little bit different each day. I'm trying to make as many of the homework assignments things that we can turn directly in Canvas. So like we'll type in our answers, or you'll click A, B, C, D, whatever. So that might be a little bit different, but this is where you will turn in your homework. And then I think if we hit next, it stops us. Yeah, we're done. That's taking us back to the other stuff, the old Unit 3. We're already done with it at this point. So that's about it. I'm going to go back to the modules button just to talk for a moment. It is important that you go through the units in order. It's going to make you do it in order. It won't let you skip around. So tomorrow, more stuff will be posted. Every day, more stuff will be posted. You must do the notes before you will have access to the homework. And then you must get at least a 60 on the homework before you can move on to tomorrow's stuff. You've got unlimited attempts to make that happen. So do whatever you need to. And of course, if you ever have questions, just let me know.